All right, so what we're supposed to do. All right, so MJ, we look at the last number, 27. Y'all hit it. 27 divided by x. Jaden, you know how to do that in your calculator? Don't need to show you. 27 divided by x. And then hit the second table. And it's going to give you all the numbers that you can times together and get 27. 1 times 27. Whoops. What else we got? Somebody give them to me.
9 times 3.
3 and 9. What else? Is that it? That's it. Okay. All right, let me ask you a question. And y'all should know the answer to this. Do I add them up to find the middle number or subtract them and find the middle number? We add them up. And how you know, MJ? You look at the second sign. If it's a plus, then you add them up. If it's a minus, then you subtract them. It's that easy. All right, so it's going to be 3 and 9. All right, now, everybody should know the rule about the signs. When the second sign's a plus, the signs have to be the same. They can either both be pluses or both be minuses. What do they got to be on this one? Both got to be minuses. Now, remember, if you times it, it should equal positive 27. It does. If you add up negative 3 and negative 9, it should give you negative 12. It does. Okay, just look at the front sign, whatever it is. If that's a plus, they're both pluses. If that's a minus, they're both minuses. That's simple. And think about it this way, boy. If we add them both pluses, and you added up 3 plus 9, that's positive 12. Well, we were supposed to have a negative 12, so that lets you know something's wrong. All right, good. Y'all try the 24 by yourself. All right, remember we did all the odds in class Friday. We're doing the evens. I'm going to give y'all time because I want y'all to type in 36 divided by x in your calculator. So if anybody needs help doing that, we got w squared plus 9w minus 36. Now the top half of the back page is really supposed to be pretty easy. The bottom of the back page times 11, sorry. All right, so we looked it up on the calculator, and those were the 3 sets of factors we could use. So, again, simple question. Do I add them up to find the middle or subtract them to find the middle? It says you got to subtract. So, it's got to be 11 and 4, guys. That's the only one. The only one it could be. Plus 11 minus 4. Because I know 11 minus 4 will give me positive 7. That's why I've got my positive on the 11, my minus on the 4. All right, y'all do 28 and 30.
How many questions do we have on these?
All right. Kenzie Russell, I need your factors of 28. I know 1 times 28. What else is it? You got it plugged in yet? Just type in 28 divided by x.
Just open up this one.
Uh-oh, yours might have to be reset. I've seen that happen a few times. Yeah, when it does that, you need to reset it. Yours is not right. All right, so when you got to reset it, stick your pin in the back and do it again. Sorry. All right. Bennett, I need the factors for 28. I know 1 times 28. What else is a factor? Type it in. 28 divided by x. It's got to be 2 times something. What's it say? 2 times 14, 4 times 7. Anything else besides those 3 options? That's it? Okay. All right, so this time, guys, do I add them up or do I subtract them to find the middle? We add them up. All right, Pope, which ones does it have to be?
7 and 4.
Got to be 4 and 7. All right, Taylor, my sign's going to be the same or different? Same, and they're both going to be positive. Okay. All right, those are the easy ones. Y'all do 30. I'm going to start writing. All right, Millie. I need to know what can we times here and here if it's got to equal 42. So what I would do is use your calculator, do 42 divided by x, and let's write down the factors and see. I know it's 1 times 42. What else is it?
2 and 21, 3 and 14.
Hang on, 3 times 14 and 6 times 7? All right, when y'all have 4 options, which one should we try first?
The ones
Why those 2?
because they're close.
They're the closest together. And most of the time, guys, it's going to be the ones that are closest together. Not all the time, but almost every time on your test it is. All right, so next, we look down here on the end. All right, these two numbers have to times together to give you 6. Y'all give me some numbers. You can use your calculator.
2 and 3.
I think 2 and 3. Now, signs, are they going to be the same or different?
Same.
Are they both going to be minuses or both going to be pluses? All right, good. So we know that's right. Now, when y'all do the bottom, there's a certain way you have to check your work. You can't do it in your head. How do we check it? Smiley face. If I times those two numbers, that's going to be negative 18. If I times these two numbers, that's negative 14. Now I got to add them up. So use your calculator. Add them up, that's negative 32. All right, we got a problem. The middle was supposed to be negative 33. We came up with negative 32. So it doesn't work this way. How do you fix it if it doesn't work this way? Which ones do I flip? Yeah, all you got to do is flip 2 and 3. That's it. And it should fix it. So I'm going to put 3 there, 2 there. 3 and 2. Now, it should fix it, but y'all should still check it to make sure it fixed it. 6 times 2, I got negative 12. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. Now, when you add this up on your calculator, you will get negative 33. So it does work. So if it doesn't work one way, Millie, just flip these around, and guys, it's probably going to work the other way. Now, what if it still didn't work after you flipped it around? Then I would start using some different numbers. Instead of 6 times 7, I would look back on that list we had, and I would pick the next ones that are closest together and just start trying those. You're going to find something that works. All right, y'all go to 34.
What the heck?
What are you doing?
Stop clamping that ear.
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
6x squared plus 19x minus 7. All right, Jaden, I need you to help me. What can I times here and here, Jaden? That's going to give me 6. Very good. Jaden, what can I times here and here that's going to give me 7? Yeah, I can only think of one thing. 1 times 7. I'm going to put 7 there and 1 there. All right. My sign's going to be the same or different? Different. So I'm going to put a plus and a minus. Now, we got to check it, guys. There's no other way to know if it's right unless you check it. So times these two, what do y'all get?
Negative 2.
All right. Times these two, what do y'all get? 21 minus 2 is 19. Does that work? Yep. So I know I got it right.
Got it backwards.
That's okay. I don't even have to switch anything on this one. Everything worked out the first time, so you're good. All right, a lot of y'all were doing really good on this last week. Y'all got, what, 3 or 4 more to practice? Y'all practice these, and then we'll take the test.
Not going to the bathroom.
After we practice.